The moment of truth has arrived. Take a long, hard look in the mirror, because you might be a procrastinator if you spend your time on stuff that doesn't really matter, can't make it past the first sentence or paragraph of a paper,
A squirrel! A squirrel!
desperately need a snack or drink as soon as you sit down to do something important. Keep a task on your to-do list for a long time, even though you know it's important.
Invent a light bulb? I can do that later.
Take days to decide on a topic for a project or paper. Carry books around all the time, but never open them to study.
Hey dude, how's it going?
Or get angry when adults ask, "Have you started yet?" How was it? Did you see yourself on that list? Don't sweat it if you did. It just means that you're like tons of other people, even adults. The good news is that help is on the way.